Hello guys, welcome to my channel Rahul Automation Studio. So today in this video I'm going to explain you about the test report in Catalan Studio. So basically there are test case that we can create, and we can create a test suite, and we can also create a test suite collection. So we will be having the report for a test case as well as for test suite and for the test suite collection. So I'm not going to execute the test case or the test suite to save some time. So I have already executed those, and I will show you about the reports. So if you see about the test case, you can see as a test case there it has been passed for you, and you can see all the details of the test case and the steps that has been executed. Once you click on the step, you can see the details description of the test case. So in the same way, you can see the test report for all your test cases. But when you are executing the test case, only single test case you are executing, you will not able to get test report as a HTML file so that you can send to your management. So in that case, you have to create a test suite. So once you will execute the test suite, you will be getting your HTML report as well. So basically, they are different format of the report that we can create in Catalan Studio that I will explain in my next video as well. So this is a report for a test suite. So right click on that, open containing folder. So you will be able to see they will automatically add a date and timestamp of your report. So it will be unique always for you. So you can just open this HTML file. So this is a report for your test suite collection. Your test suite collection is Catalan login. And there is a test case. These all are your execution environment details. You can see the test case. This is a test case for you. And all the steps has been passed and descriptions over there. So in the same way, you can also see the test reports for your test suite collection. So this is a test suite collection that I have executed Catalan underscore smoke testing. It was having two test suite, Catalan underscore login, Catalan underscore this single product, right? So there's two test suites were there basically that have been executed, and you can see the report for them as well. So this is a report for your test suite collection of the test case. So this is also having all the details, steps, execution, time, and pass. So you can see the time details, when it has been started, when it has been completed, and what is the total time it has took for the execution. So in the same way, you can see your reports, and you can send these reports and attach in the email, and you can send to your management. Thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my videos. Thank you all. Bye.